Hi all, this is Hema from Hemassolutionz. In this video, we are going to speak about self-respect. Do you know respecting ourselves is a very important part of our life? Well, we are not really getting education onto self-respect. Let's be a little more clear onto this concept. Self-respect is simply a high priority of oneself to keep one's self-esteem higher. In other way, you respect yourself so that you can take yourself to the next level of your own. Yes, let's understand this a little more deeper. Every time when we are treated by others, we feel higher or lower based on to the reaction. But a higher self of yourself is there means you can able to uplift yourself without the help of others. Let's understand self-respect is a very essential part of a human life. Without self-respect, we may not upgrade ourselves and tend to degrade on day-to-day basis. A self-respect is a very simple act of understanding and respecting your own needs and valuing it accordingly. When a person starts to see his own plate after finishing his lunch or dinner, a meal, dirty, it means they have not recognized or valued their own needs in the right way. Self-respect means doing your own things and feeling good about it. Starting from washing your own clothes, washing your own plates, everything is an act of self-respect. If you have a self-respect, you will tend to see others with respect as well. Valuing yourself means higher. It doesn't mean that you get recognition from others. It means you recognize your needs and you validate it. This is a very highest concept where you can upgrade yourself to the next level. Let me give you a few tips to upgrade your self-respect. First, understand every need of yours, every value that you hold is a part of you. It is not just what others say, but what you actually believe in matters a lot. Point 2. Every time you take responsibility for your own action, for your every need, say for example, you need a particular job to be done, and how you do it matters a lot. It speaks indirectly about how you validate yourself, how you treat yourself, how you want to take yourself, and everything. So self-respect is always a part of your daily life. Point 3. Self-respect takes you to the next level of your life. Do you know how? Yes. If you value yourself, if you understand yourself, obviously you will start seeing same kind of look and outbeings in others too. Isn't this great? Yes. But not many of us understand this as a part of self-respect. But once you start validating yourself, once you treat yourself with the great values, obviously the value you have with others will also increase, and indirectly it will also increase the value of you in the mind of others too. Obviously, the society upgrades. Point 4. Every person who holds a good self-respect will have a highest goal. So obviously, if you have a validation, understanding for yourself and also for the people around you, you tend to believe a higher goal for yourself and plan a little more better than others. This is a wonderful topic which I personally recommend you. Research more, understand yourself more, and validate yourself as a highest human being as possible as you can. I hope you can understand. All the best. Take care. Bye.